YouTube, it's me again, J Fade. Today I want to talk about what to do after you get a fresh haircut. You wavers out there after you get a fresh haircut. Me personally, I like to wash my hair before I even get a haircut. Because by me cutting hair, I notice people who just sit in a chair and they haven't washed their hair first, they have a lot of product in their hair and it causes the clippers to clog up sometimes or slow them down. And if that happens, you don't get the cleanest cut. And of course, everybody want a clean cut. So I like to wash my hair before I go to the barber, and I also wash my hair after I come from the barber, because the hairs that are being cut, some of the hair falls back on your scalp, and you don't want that sitting on top of your head. So I wash my hair, and I wash and style it again, and I like how my hair looks. It looks fresh, it looks clean, it's shiny. And today on this video, I'm gonna describe or explain to y'all what I do after a fresh cut. Here we go. Now I just cut my hair. I didn't really cut it. I just knocked it down. I've been woofing for 7 weeks. I put a 3 guard, and I knocked down my crown. I cut my crown with a 3, and I cut the rest of my hair around my head with a 2. And the areas where I will put a taper, the sides and the back, I cut it with a 1, because I be honest with you, I just didn't feel like cutting my hair, but I know I needed to cut it because it was almost getting out of control. But that being said, even me not giving it a full haircut, I still use my after haircut method. I wash my hair before I cut it, and after I cut it, I wash my hair after, wash and style. If you want to know how I wash and style, it's in one of my older videos. Feel free to go check it out. But this is what I do after I cut my hair or get a fresh haircut. I wash and style it, and I don't dry. I towel blot my hair. I don't dry it, and I don't put moisturizer in it right away anymore. Y'all know I use this African Best herbal oil. I take this oil, while my hair is still damp and warm, because when your hair warm, your scalp warm, that means the pores in your head are still open. I just put it in like so. Put it in like I brush. And I take my 360 wave process fork breaker. I love this brush. It's a medium to hard, and I just like it. I like the curve in it, and it make it do what it do. And I brush it in. I brush it in. Remember, consistent strokes. Sometimes you have to turn that brush sideways to get what you want. And I'll brush the African oil in my hair for maybe 10 minutes. And don't forget about your crown. I can take this brush and I can use the corner and I can get to my crown. The whole point of woofing, well, part of 50% of woofing is to take care of your crown. After I do that, my hair is still damp. I don't put any pomade or butter in my head right away because my hair is still damp. I'm gonna let it dry naturally. Then I come with a soft brush, my Torino Pro soft brush with the handle. This helps it lay it down. Lay your hairs down. This is, it's something like using the plastic bag method, but I have something different than the plastic bag method, and it works just as good. You guys be surprised. I'm gonna make a video of it, but not today. So I take this soft brush and I go over my hair. And after I do that, I just simply put the do-rag on. This do-rag that I'm using, it's a do-rag from Remix by Rico. I like his do-rags. He have his own style. But the reason why I really like his do-rags, because, you know, some do-rags will be silky. Some do-rags will be polyester and silk mixed together, but his are more silky than anything, and the silkier the do-rag the better. Now, I had some do-rags that were so silky, no matter what, they're gonna slide off my head in the middle of the night. But Remix by Rico, I feel they have pretty good quality do-rags. Put the do-rag on like so. Tie that baby up. And the silkier the do-rag, see, polyester, the less silkier the do-rag, the more it will suck up whatever you put in your hair. The silk do-rag doesn't do anything but lay down your hair. You pull that nice and tight. And there you go. You ready to go. Fresh cut, fresh washing style. Got your quick brush session in. You oiled your hair, you treated your hair, and you Gucci. So that's all I have for the video today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please share, please tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about me. Like the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay wavy, my friends.